The Secret to Successful Email Drip Campaigns. A step-by-step guide. Email marketing is an essential tool for any business looking to reach new customers, retain existing ones, and drive sales. But with so much competition in the inbox, it's important to stand out and make a lasting impression. This is where email drip campaigns come in, a series of automated emails that are sent to your subscribers over time. These campaigns can help you nurture leads, educate your audience, and build a relationship with them. In this article, we'll go over the essential tips for creating an effective email drip campaign that drives results. Define your objectives. Before you start creating your email drip campaign, you need to define your objectives. What do you want to achieve with this campaign? Do you want to educate your subscribers about a particular topic, promote a new product, or simply keep your brand top of mind? Your objectives will guide your content creation and determine the type of emails you send. Defining your objectives is the first and most important step in creating a successful email drip campaign. It sets the foundation for the rest of your campaign and ensures that you stay on track and focused on what truly matters. Here are 3 specific examples of objectives you may want to consider for your email drip campaign. Number 1. Educate your subscribers. If your goal is to educate your subscribers about a specific topic, you will want to create a series of informational emails that cover various aspects of that topic. For example, if you sell gardening supplies, you may want to create a series of emails that educate subscribers on various gardening techniques and tips. Number 2. Promote a new product. If your goal is to promote a new product, you will want to create a series of emails that highlight the key features and benefits of the product. This may include product demos, customer testimonials, and special promotions or discounts. Number 3. Keep your brand top of mind. If your goal is simply to keep your brand top of mind, you will want to create a series of emails that are more promotional in nature. These may include updates on new products and services, special promotions or discounts, and exclusive content that is only available to subscribers. Regardless of your objective, it's important to keep your target audience in mind when creating your email drip campaign. Your objective should align with their interests and needs, and your content should be designed to engage and inform them. Segment your audience. Segmenting your audience is a crucial aspect of email drip campaigns, as it allows you to personalize your content and deliver a more tailored and relevant experience for your subscribers. By dividing your audience into smaller groups based on specific characteristics or behaviors, you can create targeted campaigns that are more likely to resonate with each group and drive greater engagement. Here are several examples of how you can segment your audience for your email drip campaign. Number 1. Demographic segments. You can segment your audience based on demographic information such as age, gender, location, and job title. For example, you may want to create a campaign specifically for women in their 20s who live in urban areas and work in creative industries. Number 2. Behavioral segments. You can segment your audience based on the past interactions with your brand, such as their purchase history, website behavior, and email engagement. For example, you may want to create a campaign specifically for subscribers who have purchased a product from your site in the past 6 months. Number 3. Interest segments. You can segment your audience based on their interests, such as the topics they have subscribed to or the products they have shown interest in. For example, you may want to create a campaign specifically for subscribers who have shown interest in gardening or outdoor recreation. Number 4. Engagement segments. You can segment your audience based on their level of engagement with your previous emails. For example, you may want to create a campaign specifically for subscribers who have a high open rate and click-through rate on your previous emails. By using these segmentation strategies, you can create targeted campaigns that are more relevant and engaging for your subscribers, which can lead to improved open and click-through rates, higher conversion rates, and ultimately, a more successful email drip campaign. Choose the right email templates. The look and feel of your emails can have a significant impact on their success. Make sure to choose an email template that is professional, visually appealing, and matches your brand style. Remember that your email is a reflection of your brand, so it's important to make a good impression. Choosing the right email template is an important aspect of creating a successful email drip campaign. Not only does it impact the overall appearance and branding of your emails, but it can also affect the engagement and conversion rates of your campaign. Here are several tips and specific examples to help you choose the right email templates for your email drip campaign. Number 1. Match your brand style. Your email template should match the look and feel of your brand, including your logo, color scheme, and font choices. For example, if your brand is playful and quirky, consider using an email template with bold colors and unique design elements. Number 2. Keep it simple. Avoid using too many images, graphics, or animations in your email template, as this can slow down the loading time of your emails and negatively impact your engagement rates. Instead, focus on a clean, simple design that is easy to read and navigate. Number 3. Make it mobile friendly. More and more people are checking their emails on their mobile devices, so it's important to choose a template that is optimized for both desktop and mobile devices. This includes using a responsive design that automatically adjusts to the size of the screen, as well as using large, easy-to-click buttons for calls to action. 4. Use clear and legible fonts. Choose a font that is easy to read and that matches the style of your brand. Avoid using small or fancy fonts, as these can be difficult to read on smaller screens or for people with visual impairments. Number 5. Include calls to action. Make sure to include clear calls to action in your emails, such as buttons or links that encourage subscribers to take a specific action, such as making a purchase or visiting your website. By following these tips and choosing the right email template for your email drip campaign, you can create visually appealing, professional, and effective emails that will help you achieve your marketing goals and build a stronger relationship with your subscribers. Write compelling subject lines. Subject lines are the first thing your subscribers see when they receive your email, so it's important to make a good impression. Your subject lines should be clear, concise, and entice your subscribers to open your email. Make sure to avoid using misleading or spammy language, as this can hurt your reputation and result in low open rates. Writing compelling subject lines is crucial for the success of your email drip campaign, as they are often the deciding factor for whether or not a subscriber will open your email. Here are several tips and specific examples for writing subject lines that are both effective and engaging. Number 1. Be clear and concise. Keep your subject lines short and to the point, using language that is easy to understand. This helps to avoid confusion and ensure that your subscribers know exactly what your email is about. Number 2. Use personalization. Personalized subject lines, such as including the subscriber's name or location, can increase open rates by up to 50%. This helps to make your email feel more personal and relevant to the recipient. Number 3. Create a sense of urgency. Use language that creates a sense of urgency, such as limited time offer or last chance to save. This helps to encourage subscribers to take action and open your email promptly. Number 4. Ask a question. Asking a question in your subject line can increase engagement and open rates, as it piques the subscriber's curiosity and entices them to find out more. Number 5. Make it unique. Avoid using generic or boring subject lines, as this can result in low open rates and poor engagement. Instead, try to make your subject lines unique and memorable, using humor, a surprising statistic, or a pun. Here are a few examples of effective and engaging subject lines. Name: don't miss out on our Black Friday exclusive offer. Today only, get 80% off your first purchase. Question for you: what are your weekend plans? Important update: changes to our shipping policy. Surprising fact: did you know that? By following these tips and writing compelling subject lines, you can increase the chances of your email being opened, read, and acted upon by your subscribers, helping to achieve your marketing goals and build a stronger relationship with your audience. Personalize your emails. Personalization is key to making your email drip campaigns more effective. By using your subscribers' names, referring to their past interactions with your brand, and providing tailored content, you can increase the chances that they will engage with your emails. Here are several specific examples of how you can personalize your emails. Number 1. Use the subscriber's name. Including the recipient's name in the subject line or opening greeting can make the email feel more personal and increase the likelihood that the subscriber will open it. For example, "Hi, name, welcome to our new Premiere product launch." Number 2. Reference past interactions. If you have a record of your subscribers' past interactions with your brand, use that information to tailor your content to their specific interests. For example, if a subscriber has purchased a particular product from your brand, you can send them follow-up emails that promote complementary products or services. Number 3. Provide tailored content. Personalizing the content of your emails based on the subscriber's behavior or preferences can make the email more relevant and valuable to the recipient. For example, if you have information about a subscriber's location, you can include weather updates or local events in your emails. Number 4. Use dynamic content. Dynamic content allows you to include personalized information, such as the recipient's name or location, in your emails without having to manually update each email. This saves time and effort while still providing a personalized touch. Frequency and duration. The frequency and duration of a drip campaign are crucial factors that determine the success of your campaign. The frequency refers to the number of times your target audience will receive an email during the campaign's duration. For example, you might decide to send an email once a week for a period of 4 weeks. On the other hand, the duration refers to the total time the campaign will run. The duration can be a few days, weeks, or even months, depending on your goal and target audience. Content. The content of your drip campaign should align with your overall marketing strategy and goals. You should aim to create content that is relevant, engaging, and valuable to your target audience. The content can range from educational articles, promotional offers, industry news, and more. For example, in a fundraising campaign, you might start with a series of emails that educate your audience on the cause, followed by emails that highlight the impact of their donations, and finally, a final email asking for a donation. By prioritizing the content in this way, you build momentum and increase the chances of achieving your goal. Test and optimize your campaigns. Once you've launched your email drip campaign, it's important to track its performance and make changes as needed. Test different elements of your campaign, such as subject lines, email content, and call to actions, to see what works best. Regularly analyzing and optimizing your campaign will help you drive better results and improve your return on investment. Testing and optimizing your email drip campaigns is essential for maximizing their impact and achieving your desired outcomes. Here are some specific examples of how you can test and optimize your campaigns. Number 1. A/B testing. One of the simplest ways to test your email campaigns is through A/B testing. This involves sending 2 versions of an email, with a single element changed, e.g. subject line, call to action, to a randomly selected subset of your subscribers. Then, you can compare the results and see which version performed better. You can continue to repeat this process until you find the best combination of elements. Here are 3 specific examples of A/B testing. Subject line testing. You can test different subject lines to see which one has the highest open rate. For example, you can send 2 versions of the same email with 2 different subject lines to a portion of your subscribers. The first email subject line might be, "Get 20% off on your first purchase," while the second email subject line might be, "Limited time offer, 20% discount for you." By comparing the open rates, you can determine which subject line is more appealing to your audience. Call to action testing. You can also test different call to actions to see which one has the highest conversion rate. For example, you can send 2 versions of the same email with 2 different call to actions. The first email might have the call to action, "Learn more," while the second email might have the call to action, "Sign up now." By comparing the conversion rates, you can determine which call to action resonates better with your audience. Layout testing. Another element you can test is the layout of your email. For example, you can send 2 versions of the same email with different layouts to a portion of your subscribers. The first email might have a more traditional layout while the second email might have a more modern and visually appealing layout. By comparing the engagement rates, you can determine which layout is more effective in engaging your audience. Number 2. Open and click-through rates. Tracking your open and click-through rates is a crucial aspect of testing and optimizing your email drip campaigns. By measuring the performance of each email in your campaign, you can identify which ones are resonating with your subscribers and which ones are not. Then, you can adjust your content or design accordingly. 3. Delivery time. Another factor to consider when testing and optimizing your email drip campaigns is the delivery time. You can test sending your emails at different times of the day to see when your subscribers are most active and engage with your content. This information can help you determine the best time to send your emails in the future. 4. Call to action. The call to action CTA is a crucial element of any email drip campaign. By testing different CTAs, such as, "Learn more," versus, "Sign up now," you can determine which one elicits the best response from your subscribers. By continually testing and optimizing your email drip campaigns, you can improve their overall performance and achieve your objectives. In conclusion, creating an effective email drip campaign requires careful planning and attention to detail. To ensure success, start by defining your objectives and segmenting your audience to ensure that your emails are relevant and tailored to your subscribers' needs. Choose the right email templates, write compelling subject lines, and personalize your emails to make a strong impression and increase engagement. Regularly test and optimize your campaigns to drive better results and improve your return on investment. By following these best practices, you can create a successful email drip campaign that meets your business goals and drives growth. Need help writing engaging and informative content for your emails that turn readers into buyers? Click the link below to learn how CopyCrafters can help your business today.